Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install farming script into our FiveM servers. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. This script is completely free. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you get over here, you just need to scroll down over here. Then click on add to cart. After that, tick on this checkbox, then click on add to cart. After when you're done with everything, you just need to click on this download button to download the script. Now we have to extract the file into a FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here just like this. Now open the file, go to setup, go to images and copy these images from here and paste into your QB inventory. For that, go to QB inventory, HTML, images and paste your images over here. Just like this. Now go to items folder. These two are for ESX framework and this is for the aux inventory and this for the QB inventory. We just need to double click over here. Then copy this line of code from here and paste into your items.lua. For that, go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Then come to the very bottom line of the code and paste over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now open the config.lua. From here we can configure the whole script as we want. We can configure the watering cooldown system, the timing for plant growth and more. And in here these are the location of farming field and this is the location of seller. And you can easily configure the price of every items from here. So that's it for the config part. Now copy the name of the script, open the server.cfg and we have to ensure it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's open the map. And as you can see over here, these are the blips of farming field, which is over here as you can see. Now let's teleport ourselves over here. And here we are in the farming field as you can see. So let's give ourselves some broccoli seed. So as you can see, this is the broccoli seed in my inventory. Now we have to plant the seed into a farming field. We just need to come to the field. Now we have to use our seed over here. Just like this. As you can see the farming animation. So our seed has been planted over here. We just need to press E to interact with the plant. Now we have to give water to our plant. So as you can see over here, the percentage of growth and water level is increasing now. Now we have to continue the watering to make this plant grow. As you can see over here, the growth of the plant. You can easily see the growth of the plant over here as you can see. After that, click on harvest to harvest the plant. So the plant has been harvested as you can see and we received 2 broccoli in our inventory. Now let's sell this broccoli to the seller. We just need to copy this coordinate from here. Now let's teleport ourselves over there. As you can see, in here we can sell our vegetables. We just need to press E. And we received $280 and the broccoli is removed from the inventory. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.